Hi everyone, how y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing great. This is Praveen from Team Debru, and today's video is going to be about the best WordPress theme for affiliate marketers. Welcome to today's video on the best WordPress theme for an affiliate marketer. So just like the video suggests, we are going to talk about few themes that personally I think is the best theme that you can actually use in WordPress as an affiliate marketer. But let me just tell you this in the beginning of the video itself. All these themes that I'm showing you, you are definitely not limited to these particular themes. There's a lot of other themes that you can actually use as well, but these are the themes that personally I think which is very good. I've used one or two themes from here, but I've not used all of the themes. So we're going to split it into two parts, where one, we're going to talk about 3 free themes, as well as we're going to talk about 3 paid themes. So we're going to talk about both alternatives. One is a free alternative, one is a paid alternative. And also let me make it very clear for you that there is no such thing as one theme that fits it all. So there's a lot of different things. For example, if you are in a particular niche, for example, travel niche, one team might work better than another team. And when you are in a money making niche, for example, that team, another team might be working better than the previous team. And also it's not based on the team only, it also based on how you customize that team, which is very important. Not all the teams usually have a built-in WordPress sites like how I did. If you see my video on how to build a super profitable affiliate marketing blog part 3, I've actually teached you on how you can actually build and customize your WordPress site with using only a built-in software, which is very easy. So I use that particular team and built-in softwares and stuff like that to make life much easier. But today we are only going to concentrate on theme. So like I told you, if there's no such thing as one team fits it all, as well as it's not only about the team, it's also about the way that you actually customize the team. Is my voice really bad, guys? If my voice really bad, I really ask for forgiveness, because I'm not feeling that well today. That's why my voice might be a little bit bad. But then let's get into today's video without wasting any time. And this video is not going to be like very long, so you can actually stay tuned and watch the video until full, because it's going to be a very fast video where we're going to just review some themes. So the first theme that I would like to talk about is called the fastest. The name of the theme itself is actually the fastest. It's a WordPress theme, and like the name describes, it's very popular in WordPress because it is one of the most fastest WordPress theme. I would actually say it is the fastest WordPress theme. It loads very fast, and also it is super SEO friendly. People usually use this theme if they want to have a fast loading site, as well as they want their site to rank faster. That is like their main priority. Like I told you, there's no such theme that fits it all. So what is your priority? So when your priority comes about loading your sites very fast and ranking your sites, then fastest is one of the best free themes available in WordPress. And the best thing about it, it's free. It's 100% free. There is no paid upgrade version. There's nothing. It's just totally 100% free. So this is the link over here. You can actually go ahead and check out the WordPress fastest WordPress theme yourself. As you can see, this is how the theme looks like. It's actually made for blogging and stuff like that. So there's a lot of stuff that you can actually do with this particular theme. But personally, the main advantage of this theme is it's fast, and also it is super SEO friendly. This is why people like this theme a lot. You can go ahead to this particular link and check out about this theme and everything. As you can see over here, they say the fastest WordPress theme, speed 100%, design 100%, customization 90%, compatibility 100%, support 90%. So overall 98% summary by this site, as well user review they got 73.37%. It's a very popular team, guys. If you know about WordPress team, then definitely you know about Fastest, because it's one of the most popular WordPress team. The second WordPress team that we're going to take a look at is the A-Review. They are a team provided by the A-Teams. The A-Teams is like a company which provides team, and so they provide this A-Review team. So if you're an affiliate marketer, people usually say that A-Review is one of the best team available there, because A-Review is the best team, especially when it comes to review. Just like the title of the team itself is A-Review, right? So it comes very popular when it comes to review. You want to review a product, you want to review something. For example, I'm running a blog of a crypto blog, so I want to review other crypto services. I want to give a negative review or a positive review, whatever review that I want to use. A-Review is one of the best team when it comes to this particular prioritization. So if your priority is about giving reviews and stuff like that, A-Review is definitely a team that you should look forward to. And just like the Fastest, A-Review is 100% free team. And it's quite surprising, because I've actually used teams from these A-Teams before, this company, and usually they always have a paid and upgraded version, where like they have a basic free version definitely, and then you can actually pay to get a pro version of that particular theme. But then with A-Review, there's no such thing as a paid version. It's 100% free. So when you take a look at the A-Review, this is how it looks like. The feature responsive, translation ready, carousel. Let's check out the demo on A-Review and how it looks like. I'm going to show you. Actually, I've not used Fastest before, but A-Review I've used it one time. So as you can see, the best part of A-Review is like this. For example, you review a product, and then you can actually give a rating star. You can review the product, read more. So this is how the team looks like. Pretty neat and pretty sleek, right? So this is the things that we want. So if you're rating a product, you're rating a services, A-Review is one of the best WordPress team that you should actually take a look at. So the next WordPress team that we're going to take a look at is called the Team Shopee. It's actually e-commerce team. We called it as a free e-commerce team. That's their name, guys. So it's from the Team Shopee company. So this team is very popular when it comes to e-commerce store, just like how the title of the team says, e-commerce store. Sorry guys, e-commerce store. That is why the team is very popular with e-commerce store. So if you're running an e-commerce store, this team is something that definitely you should take a look at. And the best part is this team is free. Yes guys, it's free, but there is an upgraded, unlike like A-Review or the Fastest, the e-commerce store team does have a paid version, a paid upgraded version, but the free version itself is sufficient enough for you. You can even use the paid version if you want to, but the free version itself is sufficient for you. So let's check out what they have about the difference between the free as well as the pro. So number of slide, full, unlimited, templates page, change, home page, contact us. So these are the function, guys. Section, Google, gallery. So all these you can't get in free teams, but you can get in a premium team. So these are the common features as well. So let's go ahead and see a live preview of this particular team and how it looks like. Personally, I've not done an e-commerce store before, so personally I have no idea how an e-commerce store to do an e-commerce store, frankly speaking. So this team is one of the best team for e-commerce store, because I have friends that do e-commerce store, and I asked them what is the best team, and they told this is the best team. So when you go scroll down, it looks pretty neat, right? The products are there. All you got to do is just click on the product and you can go ahead and purchase that product. Looks pretty neat. This is what I so definitely if you're looking for e-commerce team, e-commerce store is one of the best team. Its name itself is e-commerce store pro, I think, so there's no worry about that. Sorry, e-commerce store, and there is also upgraded pro version. So e-commerce store and e-commerce store pro, so definitely take a look at it. So that are the 3 free themes that I wanted to talk about, as well as let's go to the paid theme. The thing about the difference about paid theme as well as a free theme is usually the paid theme will have a lot of features, as well as the paid theme will be something like a all-in package. Usually, I'm not talking about everything, I'm talking about usually it will look like a all-in package that they have a lot of stuff because you're paying for it, right? So definitely there will be a lot of stuff. So all 3 of the themes that I'm going to talk about is $59, $59 as you can see over here, and we're going to check out the preview of each theme. The first theme that we're going to take a look at is steady income. This is something that I like, is because I've actually used this theme once, but quite some time ago, when I create a money making site. So this theme was very nice if you are especially in the online money making niche, how to make money online and stuff like that, entrepreneurships and stuff like that. I'm going to show you the live demo of this theme. Before that, let's check out what they have with this theme. So what you get is license for 3 site, 1-click installation, narrated video tutorials, blah blah blah. So they can even use e-commerce, stuff like that. Let's go and see the preview. That's what we want. So yeah, so this is how it looks like. Start earning steady income today. Like I told you, I've used this theme personally, so I know. So there's a blog over here, option panel over here, which you can go and see, pages over here, your articles would be here, your tutorials, everything would be nice. So it's pretty neat if you want to use it as a theme for that particular niche. I would highly recommend you to do this theme, steady income. If you are in the money making industry, if you're in the money making niche, business opportunity niche, definitely steady income is something that you should take a look at. And the next one we're going to talk about is the Javelin. It's called the Javelin, I think Javelin, I'm not sure how we pronounce it, but Javelin is good enough, right? So it's same $59. It's a paid theme. Like I told you, most of the paid theme would be like all package, right? That's the same thing goes to Javelin. It's a multi-purpose premium responsive WordPress theme, which means you can do it for anything. Let's see whether you can actually, you can actually use it for e-commerce as well. You can use it as a normal theme. You can there's a lot of features over here, mobile ready, e-commerce, SEO friendly, 1-click installation. There's a lot of stuff over here, guys. So like I told you, when you are using free themes, and the difference between free themes and paid themes, this would be the difference. They will have support, they will have a lot of stuff involved when you pay money, because you're paying money, right? So let's go ahead and check out this particular theme. I've never used Javelin as well as the market SEO before, so let's go ahead and check it out. Look at that. Personally, if you are a fan of e-commerce shop, I never did an e-commerce shop myself, but I like to go and see a lot of e-commerce shop. If you see a lot of e-commerce shop, definitely Javelin is one of the team that you will actually take a look at it. Like you see, I've seen like at least 5 to 6 e-commerce site which has a theme like this. So yeah, so these are the teams. Look at that. So it looks pretty neat, right? So if you are having an e-commerce shop and you're looking for a paid theme, definitely Javelin is something that you should actually take a look at, because personally I've seen a lot of e-commerce shop using this particular theme. I don't know whether they're using this particular theme, but it looks almost similar, because it looks very similar. This is how the theme looks like. Most of the e-commerce shop that I see, they use this particular theme. All right, the last theme that we're going to talk about today is the Marketing Pro. Just like the Fastest is a free theme, and it's very popular because first it's fast and then it's SEO friendly, right? The same concept apply to Marketing Pro. It is a theme if you're looking forward, your priority is to get your website ranked and to get your website load very fast, then Marketing Pro is definitely the team that you're looking for. They are very specialized in SEO, but it's a paid team. Like I told you before, when we are talking about paid team, definitely paid team will not only focus on one particular team. Like Fastest, it's a free team, that's why they only focus on SEO as well as being fast. A Review is a free team, that's why they only focus on review. But if you go Javelin, you can use Javelin as an e-commerce store, but you can use Javelin as a normal you can use Javelin for a normal website as well. Same goes to Market SEO. The priority always is SEO, but definitely you can do it other stuff as well. As you can see over here, most powerful all-in-one marketing WordPress theme. So there's a lot of stuff. Let's go and see the features over here. Even over here you can actually install e-commerce store with this particular theme. So that's the difference between paid theme and non-paid theme. So let's go ahead and check the preview of this theme. So like I told you, every theme has its own beauty. Every theme has its, I think it's my internet. So is it something wrong with my internet? So every team has its own plus, every team has its own minus. So if you ask me personally, it all depends on what team you want to use. There is no such thing as one team that fits it all. Like I told you from the beginning in the video, there's no such thing as one team fits it all. So the Fastest will be my highest recommendation if you are interested in having a very fast let me just see whether you can preview or not. I don't know, I think there's some problem with the preview. Let me just continue. The Fastest would be the team that you're looking for if you're looking for a free team which is fast and really SEO friendly. Then Fastest is the team that you're looking for, while A Review is the team that you definitely should use if you are making reviews of products or services. Personally, I use A Review. I've used A Review. I'm using A Review as well because A Review is one of the best free team when it comes to reviewing. And for e-commerce, free team is always e-commerce store. You can actually use them. So it all depends on what type of specification you want. What is your priority? For Steady Income is usually for the team. Steady Income is a team if you are interested in a business or industrial business opportunity niche, then definitely Steady Income is the team that you should look for as a paid team. And Javelin is the team that you should look for if you are interested in a paid team and you are having an e-commerce shop. Definitely Javelin is something that I would highly recommend. And if you are more to marketing, I don't know why we can't preview this, so never mind, forget it. And Marketing Pro is the best team in the sense of if you want to have a team, a paid team which concentrate fully on marketing alone, your main priority is just you want your website to be ranked on top of other websites, then Marketing Pro is something that you should definitely take a look at. Like I told you, all these different teams has their own specific reasons and own specific priority, but usually the paid teams, usually they are like all in one package, guys. So I think that's about it in today's video. I've covered a lot in today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video and you managed to learn something from today's video. Before I end today's video, let me just tell you the last thing, guys. I've showed you like 6 teams today. Always remember, whatever I show you in the videos, you are not limited to that particular options alone. You can actually go ahead and Google, you can go ahead and YouTube and find different teams that you want and use it as well. But these are the teams that personally I've used. Some of these teams and some of the teams has been recommended to me from other people who actually have used it. So it's all based on my personal opinion, so you're not limited to that. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video as well.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.